Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Sessions, and today we will learn how to use autofill feature effectively. We all are using autofill feature for numbers, but in this video we will learn how to use all autofill options for numbers, date, time and text values, and in the end we will show how to create custom autofill list in Excel. Autofill feature helps you to fill the cells automatically after identifying the series. In this example, cell A1 contains a number with yellow background, bold text, center aligned cell and thick border line. Now to use autofill feature, select the cell A1 and move your mouse to bottom right corner of the selected cell. You can see a small square which is known as fill handle. Using fill handle, drag the mouse across the cells you want to fill. Now Excel will fill the same number with all the formatting. At the end of the selected cell, autofill option box is visible on the bottom right corner. Now click on this, it will show different options. Now select fill series option. It will fill the selected cells with a series of value incremented by 1. Now similarly, click on autofill options again and select fill formatting only option. It will fill the selected range with only formattings without copying the number. Now select fill without formatting. It will fill the selected range with values but without copying the format. Remember, if you select multiple numbers, autofill feature will follow the pattern in the data. So here we have two numbers 10 and 20. Now select both the cells and move your mouse to bottom right corner of the selected cell. Drag the mouse up to the cells you want to fill. Now by default, it will fill the pattern across the selected cells. So here every number is incremented by 10. Now click on the autofill option and select copy cells option. It will repeat the starting cell values across the selected cell. If the cell contains date, select the cell and drag the mouse using fill handle. It will fill the cells with series of dates incremented by 1 day. Now click on autofill options. The autofill options will show date related options also. The first four options will work similar to the numbers. So if I select copy cells option, it will fill the cells with same date. Now click on autofill options again and select fill weekdays option. It will fill the cells with weekdays only. Here Excel will exclude weekends, means Saturday and Sunday. Now select fill months option. It will fill the cells with date having same day but months are incremented by 1. Select fill years option. The cells will show the date having same day and month but years are incremented by 1. In case of time, drag the mouse over the cells using fill handle and it will fill the cells with series of time incremented by 1 hour. Select copy cells option and it will show same time. For text values, Excel will fill the same values in the cell. But Excel recognizes some text values as a part of the series. For example, weekdays or month names. So type any weekday name and using fill handle, drag the mouse over the cells. The cells will show weekdays. Similarly, for month names, cells will show all month names. You can create custom list for autofill. To create custom list, go to File, click on Options. In Excel Options dialog box, click on Advanced in left pane, scroll down to bottom, and in the General section, click on the Edit Custom List button. In Custom List dialog box, select New List option. Now type A to Z, click Add button, click OK, click OK. Now in Excel, type A and drag the fill handle over the cells. The cells will show the created series. I'm sure you get understanding of autofill feature in Excel. If you have any question, please post in comment section. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.